Hi everyone, I'm Rebekah Meier and welcome to my studio. Today I'm making fabric prints with Gel Press Impressables. I'll also be using a 5x7 gel printing plate as my palette, a brayer, acrylic paint, and a fabric painting medium. Let's get started. First, I'm adding some acrylic paint onto my palette. Then I'm going to mix it with some fabric painting medium, about a 1.5 part paint to 1 part medium. And you can mix this with anything. I'm just using a little foam brush to make sure it's mixed together. Spread it out a little bit. Now I'm going to load my brayer. You want to load your brayer with a lift and move motion. Lift and move. So I'm going to roll it onto the retro leaves, gel press. Now that the gel press plate is completely covered, I'm going to apply this pretty blue fabric designed side down onto the gel press. Retro leaves design. And first I use my hands to brush it out, and then I like to mist the back just a little bit with water, and you can see it kind of makes the design come through to the other side, which I like to do. Then I know it's transferring well. So let's see what we have. Oh wow, this is pretty. Very pretty. So you can see where I have more paint than I do other places. This is okay because it's my first print, and that gives me an idea of how the color looks and what the design's going to look like. So I'm going to save this, put it aside to dry, and then I'm going to print up some more fabrics. Hi everyone, I'm back to show you my project that I decided upon using the Gel Press Impressible design. And what I decided on was to create or print onto a pre-made pillow form cover. You can see on the back, this was pre-made, I bought it, and you just buy a pillow and put it in and zip it up. But to print the pillow, all I did was, instead of using a fabric like I showed you, I used the pillow form as the fabric and made the print design onto here. So this is a quick and easy way to make a pillow. You can also sew a pillow if you're like to sew, but this is just showing you how cool it is to use the Impressables with fabric.